Hey everyone, sorry my camera's running a little high. Build it here. We're getting ready to open the Filament 1 ProFi box for the month of July. Don't know what happened to my June box, but I got 2 boxes today, so I'm assuming that one of them is probably the June box. I got my May box, got my July box, and maybe the June box. We'll see. I know this one's July, but trust me on that. Trust me, it's July on that box. I already opened it just to find out. So it's open already. We got it right here. Let's get it out here. We'll see what we got. We got a, I what they call this stuff, like boron nitrate thermal paste. This is thermal paste that you should squirt into your heat sink, or your, not heat sink, but your heat block that your nozzle screws into. So you squirt this into where your heater cartridge and where your thermistor is going to go in, and this helps it to conduct better. So that's what that's for. And then there's a stroopwafel, little stroopwafel, and we have a Filament 1 sticker. So those are the main things that are in the box. Let's get the thing out here. Yeah, so it says this month we have a Pro Select Traffic White, which is in this bag here, Pro Select Traffic White. You can see it here in the video. I'll open it up because I like to open them. I like the new bags, the new black bags you're using instead of the silver bags. Let's see, I should have a pair of scissors here. Yep, right there. And we'll open this bag up by cutting basically close to where the tear-off notches are. The tears never seem to work properly on these bags, so I like to cut it instead of trying to tear it. Okay, so you can see this is definitely a white. Right there, nice white color. So you can see it kind of really nice. You can see it here, really nice. So that's the traffic white. Flip the bag back up. That's it. And then the other one is traffic yellow. So let's see, we've got traffic red last month, and traffic white and traffic red. And I believe not too long ago I got a traffic black. I've gotten pretty much most of the colors. I guess the only thing missing, I don't know if someone makes one of these, but traffic green. Why not? You got yellow, you got red, you got black. Why not a traffic green? Okay, there we go. That's open. So this will be traffic yellow. And indeed it is a yellow. There we go. A nice bright yellow for you to see. Woohoo. Right, time to print a car. A Viper. I think the Viper looks cool in yellow. That and sports cars, basically in general, look cool in yellow. I wouldn't buy it for other cars, but for sports cars, the yellow seems to look really good for them. Okay, so there we go. That's the yellow, and that is basically the box for the month. But let's see what the project is for the month. The group project. Does that tell me on the? Sometimes it shows you on the sheet what it is. Plus, you also get 15% off PC and ABS and PC-ABS, whatever. I think it's exactly the same name. Oh, fire card conversions. So PC is polycarbonate, ABS mix. So that's what the one for next month is. Let's see. Web browser, that's what I want. I want a web browser. Web browser open here. Let me hide a camera here so you'll lose me. You won't see me anymore. Come on, go over there. Okay, so there we got our web browser open, and we are going to go to filament1.com. /pb-auly 20. And that'll give us what the project is, hopefully. So like it says, traffic yellow, traffic white. This bus accessory was a boron nitride thermal paste. It's a Yoda bus by Florida Cement. That's what we're printing. That's what the project is for the month. So if you want to see it, I can download it here. And it's taking forever to download because my computer is super busy because I'm copying a bunch of files over from one drive to another to make more room on my drive that I do for videos. I had a whole bunch of other stuff on there and I need to move it all. So I'm running out of space. Running out of space on a 1 terabyte solid state drive. So I need to make room. So I'm transferring files that I don't use a whole lot onto my external hard drive. It's taking forever to do, and this is still loading. You can see it here. The loading here on the bottom of my browser is loading, because this is Edge and not Internet Explorer. These Jeopardy theme playing in the background here. Okay, let's see. We can say show in folder. Show the folder so I can transfer it over. I don't like that I can't tell it where to save when I tell it to download a file anymore. I don't like that. Let's see. I want to cut that, and I want to go to the drive I'm currently copying everything to. It'll be in 3D printing, it'll be in projects, and there should be a Florida Cement folder in here somewhere. Right there, and I'll paste this in here. And there. I already had it on there. Huh. Right there, Baby Yoda. I'd already got it from Florida Cement. Okay, so I didn't really need to do that, but oh well. Okay, so that is there, and what we'll do now is I will open it. So it should open in Simplify 3D, because that's what I was working with. Ignore this message because it's wrong. I want to remove my project that I'm currently working on because I need that. So there it is. There is the child, even though he likes to call it Baby Yoda. It's called the child in what's that show? Mandalorian, in the Mandalorian series. So there is the child. So that's what the project is to print for the month. It's unfortunate that they don't, like people like me who are doing videos, and they have these, show me on their website, my videos, they link them. But they don't give us the project a little bit ahead of time so that we can actually print the project and show you a print of it, you know, before when we do the video. So, but that's the way it is, and so that's why I don't print while it's here, because if I were to print this, let me do this, hide that, and we'll slice this and see how long it says how long it says it takes to print this. It might slice both of them, even though it has them both in there. But still, it's going to be about 20 hours to print. So, I mean, I don't really want to do a video for 20 hours, if you understand what I mean. I can do a time lapse of it, but I ain't going to do that right now. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it. That's the what you're supposed to print this month for the project. And that pretty much covers everything that has to do with the ProFi box for the month of July. So that's completed. I just got it today. Here we are, we're August 17th. So that might be, the other box might be the August box, and I don't know where my June box is. So anyway, that's it. Build it. Out. See you next time.